Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to add text to an image and make it look like this. So let's get started. So this is the image that we are going to work on today. So to add text behind this, you might simply think that adding text is enough, but you cannot do that. So we have to do we have to use quick selection tool over here. So quickly starting with it, just increase the size to around 25 and use the plus tool and then just maybe select this. So okay, quickly got selected because there's a hard contrast between the background and the subject. But as you can see, if we zoom in, most of the parts of the image are yet unselected, which need to be selected properly. Basically, these areas are not selected correctly. So to do that, what we do is zoom in the image using Control and plus, and then use this minus icon over here, and then just draw this part out. So somewhat like this. Now to be precise, we'll need to reduce the size to around, let's say 8. It's 8 is quite small, but yeah, that's what we are going to need today. And let's do it. Yeah, selected kind of properly now. Let's just decrease the size furthermore. And okay, so now it's selected properly. Moving on to this part over here. So again, using the minus tool, just drag it over here to the bottom. Okay, so that's quite well now. Let's zoom in to see if any details that we are missing out on. This part. Okay, it's done well. Now just we have to use this part. So again, zoom in a little and just drag this part over here, join it. Same with this guy over here. Okay, so this part is done as well. Now let's move on to this final part over here. Again, select the minus tool and just keep on selecting this entire region. Okay, so it has been selected and the whole part of our image is now selected correctly and properly just as we wanted. So just Control plus C or go to edit and copy and then edit and paste. So this image has been pasted. You won't be able to notice that. So let's just do it. Yeah. So this is the image that we pasted now. Let's take it back to its place. Now let's add text. So let's draw a text box and let's write yoga because that's what the guy is doing, right? So let's change the color and make it white. Okay, select it and then make it white. And then when it's done, just click on it, press Ctrl plus T and increase the size. Let's increase it more. Let's make it 1000 and let's keep it over here. I'm yet not satisfied with the size, so increase it even more. Let's make it 1300. 1300. Okay, so it's not going so far, so 1200 maybe. Okay, 1200. Now take it in the center. This is the center roughly. So our text has been added to image. Now to make it beneath the subject, just drag this layer and kind of place it in between these two layers. And as you can see, the text has been added to our image. Now you can always work around with your text and go to like, let's say, let's add gradient. So go to gradient overlay and okay, so this is my previous settings. You can go over here, select this color and let's change it to, let's change this color. Now take this color and change it to this color, a darker one. Click on OK. So this is our text with gradient added. It's kind of like embedded well with the background. Now you can also use drop shadows or maybe strokes, whatever you feel comfortable with, and then make the text get highlighted out. It's totally up to you. I want to leave this like this. So let's keep it like this itself. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.